Hey, what's up, gents? Welcome back to Man Glow Up, your ultimate destination for all things fashion, grooming, and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a topic that's a must for every stylish man out there: how to pack and dress for a weekend getaway. Whether you're planning a sun-soaked beach escape, a cultural city break, or an adventurous nature retreat, your wardrobe needs to be on point. After all, the way you dress can elevate your entire experience, making you feel more confident, comfortable, and ready to enjoy every moment. So, if you've ever found yourself staring at your closet, unsure of what to pack, or you've ended up lugging around a heavy suitcase filled with clothes you never wear, this guide is for you. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the tips and tricks you need to pack light, dress sharp, and look your best no matter where your weekend adventure takes you. From beach essentials to city chic and rugged nature escapes, we've got it all covered. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the quintessential beach getaway. Now, the beach is all about relaxation, but that doesn't mean your style should take a vacation. In fact, your beachwear can be a fantastic opportunity to showcase your fashion sense in a more laid-back setting. The cornerstone of any beach outfit is, of course, the swim shorts. But not just any swim shorts. Choose a pair that fits well and flatters your body type. Opt for shorts that hit mid-thigh for a balanced, stylish look. And when it comes to colors and patterns, feel free to have some fun. Whether you prefer bold tropical prints or classic solid colors, make sure they reflect your personal style and complement your skin tone. Now, to elevate your beach look, pair your swim shorts with a lightweight, button-down linen shirt. Linen is the perfect fabric for beachwear. It's breathable, comfortable, and exudes an effortless, cool vibe. Wear it buttoned up for a cleaner look, or leave it unbuttoned over a plain tee for that relaxed, easygoing style. And remember, accessories are key. A pair of aviator sunglasses, a stylish straw hat, and a quality beach bag can take your outfit from simple to standout. Footwear is just as important. Sure, flip-flops are easy, but they can look sloppy. Instead, go for something a bit more sophisticated, like espadrilles or leather sandals. They're just as easy to slip on and off, but they add an extra layer of style to your beach ensemble. And don't forget a light hoodie or denim jacket for those cooler evenings by the shore. It's the perfect finishing touch. Next up, let's talk about city breaks. These are all about versatility and style. City breaks are the perfect opportunity to mix and match your wardrobe, creating outfits that are comfortable during the day and polished enough for a night out. Start with a pair of slim-fit chinos or dark jeans. These are your go-to bottoms for city exploration. They're comfortable for a day of walking, yet stylish enough for a night out. Plus, they're incredibly versatile, pairing well with almost anything. For your top, a crisp white crew neck t-shirt or a classic polo is a must. These pieces are timeless and versatile, acting as the perfect base for layering. But here's where you can get creative. Layer your tee or polo with a lightweight bomber jacket or a well-tailored blazer. A bomber jacket adds a cool, edgy vibe, perfect for a more casual day, while a blazer instantly elevates your look, making you ready for a night out on the town. And let's not forget about footwear. Stylish leather sneakers are a must-have. They're comfortable enough to wear all day, yet chic enough to pair with your evening attire. Stick to neutral colors like white, grey, or black. They'll match anything and keep your look sharp and sophisticated. Now, let's gear up for a nature escape. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply getting off the grid, your outfit needs to be functional yet stylish. Start with a good pair of cargo pants or durable jeans. These options provide both comfort and practicality. Cargo pants are great for the extra pockets, while rugged jeans give you that classic outdoorsy vibe. For your top, moisture-wicking fabrics are a game changer. They keep you cool, dry, and comfortable, no matter how intense your activity gets. Layer it with a flannel shirt for those early morning hikes, or a fleece jacket when the evening chill sets in. These pieces not only offer protection against the elements, but also bring in that rugged, masculine style that's perfect for nature escapes. And footwear? It's all about the boots. A sturdy pair of hiking boots is essential. They offer the support, durability, and comfort you need for outdoor activities. Plus, they add that rugged, adventurous touch to your outfit. Don't forget to accessorize with a functional yet stylish beanie or cap, and you're all set to take on the great outdoors in style. Before we wrap things up, let's talk about packing. Because even the most stylish outfits won't do you any good if they're wrinkled and crammed into your bag. The first rule of packing smart is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. This technique not only saves space, but also minimizes wrinkles, keeping your outfits looking fresh and ready to wear. Stick to a cohesive color palette. Think neutral tones with a few pops of color. This makes mixing and matching your outfits a breeze, giving you more versatility with fewer pieces. And speaking of versatility, invest in multifunctional items like a reversible jacket or shoes that can be dressed up or down. Finally, don't forget your accessories. A versatile watch, a good pair of sunglasses, and a compact grooming kit are essential for any weekend trip. And of course, make sure you've got a quality weekend bag. It should be spacious enough to hold everything you need, but compact enough to carry with ease. Look for one with multiple compartments to keep things organized, and opt for a style that reflects your personal taste. And there you have it, guys, the ultimate guide to weekend getaway outfits. With these tips, you're not just packing for a trip, you're packing for a stylish, comfortable, and memorable experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Man Glow Up for more expert style tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Where's your next adventure taking you? Let me know in the comments below. Safe travels and stay stylish.